How to log in into SkyWest Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Arkis and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your SkyWest Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your web browser and simply search for SkyWest Employee Portal. After you search for that, you'll see this website by SkyWest. Open that up. And right here, as you can see, you can log in with your SkyWest Online user and password. And if you're a new employee, you can even register for the account. So let's head over here and type in your user ID, your employee ID, and then your password right here. After you do that, you can then simply tap on this login button and log in into your account. And it's basically that simple. And yeah, that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.